Welcome Year 2 to your maths meeting. Fantastic. What you have to do first of all is you have to go and get a piece of paper and a pencil. So pause your video while you go off and get your paper and pencil because you're going to write your answers on that sheet. Thank you. First of all, we're going to have a look at our months of the year. So sing along with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Fantastic. So I've got 4 questions on the months of the year. How many days in July? How many days in February, not in a leap year? How many days in April? And how many days in January? So pause your video now and write your answers on your sheet. Brilliant. Okay, so let's check our answers. How many days in July? Brilliant. They are 31 days in July. How many days in February? Not in a leap year. That's correct. They are 28 days in February, not in a leap year. How many days in April? Brilliant. They are 30 days in April. And how many days in January? Correct. They are 31 days in January. Wonderful work, guys. Okay, I now have a pattern. I want you to complete the pattern. I have some numbers here and I want you to fill in the blue boxes. So on your sheet, I want you to fill in all the correct numbers and work out what multiples are we counting in. So pause your video now and write on your sheet. So here, I've got a 4, I've got an 8, and I've got a 10. So 8 and 10. I know that I'm counting up in 2s there, so I'm going to go 8, 10. Another 2 is 12. Fantastic. 8, 10, 12. And another 2 is 14. Let's count backwards and make sure we're doing this correctly. 14, 12, 10, 8. That is a 6 and a 4. Therefore, my first starting of my pattern is a 2. Let's double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What multiples are we counting in? Correct. We are counting in multiples of 2. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Well done. We're now going to use the correct symbol, greater than, less than, or equals to compare two addition equations. So, first of all, I need to work out what 6 and 9 is. Then I need to work out what 6 and 8 equals. 6 add 8. And then I need to put the correct symbol in there. Pause your video for a moment and write the answer down. So I have worked out that 6 plus 9 is 15 and 6 plus 8 is 14. Therefore, the correct symbol here, brilliant. Well done, guys. So 6 add 9 is greater than 6 add 8. Fantastic. Okay, I've got my 100 grid here. I've got 4 questions using my 100 grid. I'm going to read the questions to you, and then you need to pause your video to answer all the questions. So number 1, what is 10 more than 87? Number 2, what is 10 less than 33? And number 3, what is 10 more than 65? And number 4, what is 10 less than 26? So pause your video and read the questions carefully. Brilliant work, guys. So let's have a look. What is 10 more than 87? So I need to find 87 on my 100 grid. Here is my 87. So I'm doing 10 more than 87. So I don't need to count individually. I can just jump down in the same column to 97. So 10 more than 87 is 97. Brilliant work, guys. 10 less than 33. Again, I find 33 on my 100 square. I found 33. But this time I'm doing 10 less than 33. So which way will I jump this time on my 100 grid? Brilliant. I'm going to jump backwards. I'm going to jump up. Okay, because it's 10 less. So 10 less than 33 is 23. Fantastic work. What is 10 more than 65? So find 65 on my 100 grid. I've got 65. Again, I know what to do because I'm on 10 more than 65. I go down. Brilliant. I jump down to 75. 10 more than 65 is 75. What is 10 less than 26? 10 less than 26, so I'm going less this time. I'm going to find 26. That's correct. I jump up to 16. 10 less than 26 is 16. Brilliant work. Fantastic concentrating. Okay. I am thinking of a shape with 6 equal sides. What shape am I thinking of? Could you please write the word and or draw a picture? So I am thinking of a shape with 6 equal sides. What shape am I thinking of? Pause the video if you need to have longer to do your writing and drawing. Okay, so my shape with 6 equal sides is a hexagon. It's a hexagon. And if you've drawn it, this is what a hexagon looks like. Let's check that it's got 6 equal sides. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant work, guys. 6 equal sides. Okay, how many 5p coins are here? So I remember that my 5p is a very small little silver coin. Okay, so these are my 5p coins. Pause the video to write your multiplication down, please, using these coins. So how many 5p coins are here? That's brilliant work. I have 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 5p coins. So I know they're 5p's. These silver ones, they're 5p. I have 3 times 5p equals, fantastic, 15p. We must write our p in our pence, 15 pence, when we're writing equations for money. Okay, complete the related fact. So if I know that 8 add 2 equals 10, then I know, could you please fill in this equation for me? Pause your video if you need to. Fantastic. Brilliant work, guys. So if I know that 8 add 2 equals 10, then I know that 80 add 20 equals 100. Wonderful work. Fantastic. Complete another pattern. Look very, very carefully. And I want to know what multiples are we counting here. So pause your video. I need you to complete the pattern. Fill in my blue boxes. Okay. So I've got a 10 and a 20. So halfway through, I need another number in here. So halfway between 10 and 20 is 15. Fantastic. Halfway between 20 and 30 is 25. Fantastic. So my last box, if we count backwards, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10. That's correct. It's got to be a 5. Let's double check what we're counting in to make sure we're getting the correct multiples. We're counting in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the multiples that we're counting in here, correct. They are 5. Wonderful work. Okay. I have lots of little blue circles in some boxes. Okay. I want you to look carefully at these groups. Are they equal or unequal? I want to know how many groups are here. I want to know how many circles in each group. And then show me the equation for the above groups. So pause your video to double check the pictures. So I'm not sure. I have lots of blue circles, but they look slightly different. Let's double check if my groups are equal or unequal. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in that group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 in every group. Therefore, my groups are equal. Fantastic. How many groups are here? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 groups. Fantastic. How many circles in each group? We've already counted that. We have 4. 4 circles in each group. The equation for the above groups should say 3 times or multiply by 4 equals 12. Fantastic. That's the end of our maths meeting for today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.